Thank you, Renato. Basketball coaches in Western Jamaica are expressing concern over what they deem a lack of recognition for Western players.
Coach of the Cricket Club Knights basketball team, John Bryan, says that rural players are being overlooked compared to their urban counterparts. Bryan says Western players are forced to play in urban teams just to be seen.
I don't feel that support is there, and it's not something that has just happened this year. It's something that has been happening over and over the years, where our Western players don't get the same support as the town players. Teams outside of the urban area are just black sheep. So a lot of our players, in order to be a part of the national setup or to be a part of the National Basketball League and be recognized, they have to basically go to an urban team just to get that recognition or just to get that exposure.
And the coach of the Boys Club Warriors, Ryan Gray, says that scheduling is also a part of the problem that needs addressing. Gray says that players from his team will have to play in an NBL game hours before the final against the Cricket Club Knights.
Western Basketball now have a team in the National Basketball League, which is the famous thing. I'm happy to be on the coaching staff. Just the same. And I'm telling you, it's even for the first day of the final, we have an NBL game hours before. And we have members that the two teams that are going to be vying for the title down here are players that make up the same NBL team that has to play a match before.
Both Gray and Bryan were speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill.